Welcome back. It's now certain that ex-state president of BJP and Minister Suresh Amonkar will contest as an independent candidate from Pali. After Manohar Parrikar deliberately sidelining him in the candidature process, Amonkar's supporters have forced him to get into the battlefield.
शेवटी कशें आसा हे डिसिजनाक म्हाका बी मातसो विचार करचो पडटलो ताचे खातीर आनीकूय खुबश्यो गजाली आसा त्यामुळे एक दोन दीस म्हाका हाजेर आनीकूय मातसो विचार करपा जाय आनी ताचे नंतर मागीर हांव म्हाजी फुडली जी स्ट्रॅटेजी आसतली ती हांव ठरयतलो पूण ही स्ट्रॅटेजी कार्यकर्त्यांक कशे तरी त्रासान घालपाची नासतली कार्यकर्त्यांची जी व्ह्यूपॉयंट आसा तेजे हांव फुल्ली कन्सिडर करतलो.
Dr. Suresh says that he may resign from BJP to contest the election.
पूण जरी एक कशें आसा बॉडी एकीकडे आसता पण मन एकीकडे आसा म्हणटात त्या प्रमाणे भारतीय जनता पार्टीची जी ही आसतली विचार प्रणाली आसा ताचो हांव केन्नाच राजिनामा दिवंक शकचो.
Praveen Blagan is a strong supporter of Dr. Suresh Amonkar and is confident that Dr. Suresh will win the election.
आमचे विरोधी पक्ष नेते मनोहर पर्रीकर हे पक्ष पाळी मतदारसंघात आणि गोंयांत सोंपोवपाक उठलेले आसा तांकां कसल्याच आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांची भावना लक्षांत येना आनी एकाधिकारशाही हुकुमशाही ही पक्षान चल्लेली आसा ती हुकुमशाही सोंपोवपा लागून हो आमी भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या पाळी मतदारसंघांसून सुरवात करता आनी म्हाका दिसता काय निश्चित यश येतलें.
Suspect in Kepe idol desecration is remanded to 7 days police custody. Police investigation is on and the possibility of more arrests cannot be ruled out.
Prime suspect in Paroda temple desecration case, Riyaz Sheikh, was arrested on 1st of November from his residence. He was produced at JMFC Kepe and is remanded for 7 days police custody. CS Salgaonkar, Deputy Superintendent of Police, CID Crime Branch at Dona Paula, briefed more.
He was arrested in Kepe. He was brought from his residence. His driving card was found there in the temple. It was located in one of the utensils there in the temple by that person who was cleaning the utensils there. And on getting the driving license and treating that as a clue in this case, he was brought from his residence and he was arrested. He is produced yesterday in the evening before JMFC Kepe and he is remanded for 7 days to police custody.
CS Salgaonkar further said that investigation is in progress. He refused to divulge any more information.
Yeah.
This person involved in any other cases?
No, there is no record. Record doesn't show that his involvement in some other cases here.
There is today's paper says that there is involvement in multi-gender case.
No. That is so far investigation, so far interrogation has not revealed anything about that.
Kepe police had arrested the suspect and handed over to Special Squad of Crime Branch, which is looking into the matter. One local resident of Gude Paroda tells how the license led to the accused.
देवळां जे पळय आमी जे पळय देवाचे पेंट जे पळय चालू आसले पेंट हे करून आमी सगळे देवाचे सामान भायर काडटाले तेन्ना ते कार्ड तेगे थंय आमकां भितर पडलेले आमकां ते तोपां भितर मेळ्ळे आमकां ते
कसले कार्ड
तेगे ते लायसन तेगे ड्रायविंग लायसन कार्ड जे पळय ते लेमिनेशनाचे ते आमकां मेळ्ळे ते ताणें मागीर ते काडलें आमची जे पळय कमिटी जी मनीस आसा तेजे कडेन हें करपाक गेलें मागीर आमचो माजन गेलो त्या माजना कडेन दिलें त्या माजनान तें पळयलें आनी मागीर तें लास्ट काडून मागीर पुलिशी थंय जे पळय आमचे पारा पुलीस येता तांचे स्वाधीन केलें.
तूं कितें दिसता ह्या हितून
हे हातूंत जे पळय जाल्लें आहा तेजी योग्य कारवाय जावपा जाय.
Police are hoping that this arrest will lead them in cracking the case. A reporter from Panji and Kepe, Sunny Narvekar and Ramesh Naik.
A straw was found in the bottle of Fanta at a restaurant in Vasco. Can it be a prank to defame the company, or is it the unhygienic manufacturing by the company is $1 million question.
It wasn't astonishing to see a straw in the Fanta bottle. Earlier such cases had occurred by different companies, which were detrimental to the health of people. Whom to blame for this unhygienic drink? Whether the employees or the manufacturing unit? The bottle was purchased by Rupesh Naik and Clement Fernandez. Our Vasco reporter Surendra Madkaikar inquired about the whole matter, and here is what they had to say.
ही बॉटल आता तुमच्या फ्रेंडाली 12 वर्सां हाडली म्हणून आयकून येयलें. ही बॉटल स्ट्रॉ मेळटो तुज्या फ्रेंडान कंपनी कडेन बी कितें केलें काय मागीर कंपनीच्या ऑफिसरांनी कितें सांगलें
ऑफिसर म्हणपाक लागले ही बाटली दियो तुमकां रिप्लेसमेंट दिता म्हणपाक
बाटलेक बाटली रिप्लेस
मागीर बॉटल दिवन ना म्हणलें आमचे उपाय ना आमी म्हणलें तो मागीर डिमांड केलो आमी एक बेश्टे कितें मेळटा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.